How to temporarily deactivate your Snapchat account. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can temporarily deactivate your Snapchat account, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to temporarily deactivate your Snapchat account, all you have to do is go ahead and then first of all, make sure to launch the Snapchat application here. Then after that, make sure to tap the profile icon from the top left of the screen. Then tap the gear icon located at the top right hand side of the screen again. After you've done that, what you want to do is simply scroll down and then look for the option known as I need help, and then make sure to tap on it. And as you tap on it, over here you should be able to see different sort of details. In the search box, you simply want to type in something such as deactivating my account here. So just go ahead and then type in deactivate account, and once you've done that, you should be able to see a list of search results over here. Now you can see how do I delete or how do I deactivate or delete my Snapchat account. Make sure to tap on this little search result here, and as you tap on that option here, you can see managing your account and so on, and go to Snapchat accounts portal and then tap on delete my account and so on. So right here you can just go to this option called Snapchat accounts portal and then just go ahead and then make sure to enter your password, and then you'll be able to deactivate your Snapchat account. This way you'll be able to deactivate your Snapchat account. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.